My goal for today's makeup was to achieve a really nice natural glowing skin by using two of Holme Beauty's primers and also have a bit of definition in the eyes. But before I begin, I'm just wiping off some of the excess foundation that I had. It's like a sunscreen that I had on this morning for going to the gym. So there's a little bit of product there. And then I'm just going to go in with my moisturiser. This is the Vitamin C cream by Banish. And I'm just really massaging that in, along with the Banish Instant Lift Eye Cream as well. I do still have a little bit of mascara on, and I will leave that. So here are the two primers. I'm going in with the lightest shade first, and as you can see, as I apply this, I'm applying it with a brush. You can use your fingers. I'm just using a Real Techniques foundation brush. But you can see by doing this first side, it really is just enhances your skin, evens out your skin tone, and it's just a really nice natural look. So I just thought I wanted something on my skin that was really fresh, glowing, and looked like I hadn't done too much to my face. But I did decide to use the darker shade as well. So before I do that, I'm just going to go down my neck and décolletage, and we'll just even out that skin. Here's the darker shade, and I'm just using this to really frame my face. So very similar to how I do all my makeups, just framing the face, using it like a bit of a contour, but it helps to warm it up, gives me that really nice sun-kissed glow, really blending that in as well, and using the same brush as well. And just blending it all through, a little bit down the nose too. Then before I get any further, I'm using the Youngblood Cosmetics Brow Power. This is such a neat little wand, really easy to do. I just thought I want to keep those brows looking fairly natural, but also done. So I'm just sweeping that through. Now, this is the Natasha Denona. This is the Nude palette. It's one of the minis. And this is great. You just use the with your fingers, and I'm just popping this beautiful gold shimmer because I figured this would go with my headband. And I'm just placing it all over the mobile lid and really just pressing it in and just sweeping it along. And just being careful just to make it go up until the crease, but not over the crease. These blend so well. So taking the tan, the light tan in a matte shade, and using a really nice blending fluffy brush, I'm just sweeping that through the crease and softening that edge. And that is all the color that I'm going to put on the eyelids. So very, very simple, very quick and easy. I just love this. So just really blending that back and forth, making sure I touch the top of that brow bone there. This is one of the Charlotte Tilburys. This is an eyeliner, and this is in a gorgeous forest green. I will find out what color it actually is. I should have it here somewhere, but it's quite small to read. So I'll let you know. But I'm placing this all along the bottom waterline, really into the lash line and up into the tight line as well. So just making this quite a predominant or dominant feature to my makeup. This really helps the eyes stand out. So if you have any coloured eyes, actually, would really suit brown eyes too. So it just helps to really define those eyes and just add a little bit of drama to what would be a very natural sort of glowing makeup. I'm just sweeping my lashes with a little bit of the mineral mascara. This one is by Youngblood, and it is in black. So really just making sure that I coat all the lashes. Really important, especially if you have fair lashes like me, to get the base of those lashes and sweep it all the way through and touching the bottom. I'm just combing up those brows a little bit to make them look a little bit more natural. The lip and cheek tint that I'm using today is called Denona, and I thought just a nice pink flush would really go really well and help bring out that green that's in the eyes and just complement the makeup quite nicely. So that's a very sort of subtle look. I'm going in with the loose mineral rice powder. This is in medium, and I'm just going to take away some of that excess shine and just set the makeup. But again, keeping it nice and glowy, like keeping it looking really, really fresh. So just sweeping it all along underneath the eyes, just anywhere where it's a little bit dewy. Just popping it under the brows as well. Such a great way to finish the makeup. I really hope you like this look.